guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are in California. What are we doing, Dad?
Today we happen to be in Disney California Adventure here at the Avenger campus, and we're super excited to be here. In this video we're just gonna show you basically the newest ride from Spider-Man, Web Slingers. So you know, stay with us because we got a lot coming for you. So if you happen to be brand new around here, hi, welcome to our family. This is Cool Case Adventure, and our main mission is to help you have fun when you come to DCA or any Disney or other theme parks. With that said, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it. Kyla, what is your feeling right now?
I'm so excited.
Kyla's geeking out one more time. Look at this. A lot of photo op opportunities. After seeing it in videos for so many times. Kyla, how you feeling, brother? You cannot believe it?
Before we go on the ride, I think that we should buy the Web Slingers first.
Yeah, look at Kyla's taking a picture with Captain Marvel. That was awesome. Just to give you a little bit of information, that's where the bathrooms are located. Web Slingers is located that way. Doctor Strange, the show is over there. This is where we were just standing at over there. And that's the restaurant. And in case you guys didn't know, the WebTech power band, this is what you're gonna need. You don't need it, but you know, this, you could use this on the ride. And we're definitely,
we need it.
We're definitely gonna buy it for you at $30 cost. This is some of the merchandise that they're also selling over here. That's pretty cool though. And Kalel decided to go, because you see, you could buy this, the web power band, and just use it like that on the ride, but you could also get an attachment. So he's gonna get the web shooter, and then Kyla is gonna get the Iron Man. And you know, for these ones to work, you have to have this. So combined is like
and we can trade too,
$50 or $60 combined. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna buy it just to give you guys an example how.
Yeah, just for an example.
And that too, you know, as a souvenir. The kids been saving money too, so please keep in mind that in order to do that right, you have to join a virtual line, and it's a lottery, kind of like Rise of the Resistance. So they do have 2 windows open, so you gotta do it by 7 in the morning or noon. Yeah, unfortunately, if you're not able to join it, just like Rise, you will not be able to do it. So keep that in mind. After we bought everything, here's the shawarma palace as well. So we will be buying the gauntlet souvenir cup later on too. There you go. Now we're just gonna ride the ride. So just so you know, there's the ride. The actual stores right there. We actually bought the accessories in the car, but they also sell it over there. So it feels completely surreal to be over here. It is amazing. After watching it for a few weeks in videos and stuff like that, dude, it feels unbelievable to be here. So if you've been supporting this channel, guys, once again, I want to take the opportunity to say thank you for the love and support. We wouldn't make it over here if it wouldn't be for the constant love that we keep getting from you, and that's a motivation to get us to do things like this. And look at these 2 Pogo heads. the kids are geeking out, and Kyla has Iron Man, and Kyla had the from Spider-Man, yeah, the web sling. So basically, this is obviously a toy. So when in the ride,
It's not a toy.
yeah, in the ride, this shoots electrical, right?
Yeah, laser. That one shoots laser.
Lasers, right? Like Iron Man, and Kyla will be webs. Yeah. So the cost on this was about $58, I
You
guess.
only need this part, and this is $30, $29.99, I believe. And then these are add-ons if you want them. You don't need them for the ride. You don't need any for the ride, but this makes the ride even better.
Yeah, you're gonna see Karen and I just doing it without it, and it still works. But these are kind of toys or souvenirs that you could get for your kids or yourself, and they will work perfectly with the ride. Test range users, apparently they've been testing the spider webs all over here. Hey guys, so here's a closer look of the actual web that were actually shot from that machine over there, so it's kind of cool to see that all over. Here's a better look of the webs that were actually shot from the machine that I showed you earlier. Hey guys, so we're going to continue to show you more about the Avenger campers, everything that they have to offer here, including more stuff about the store and all that. But in the meantime, before we do that, if we're sharing any valuable content, make sure you hit that like button. If you happen to be brand new around here, make sure you subscribe to this channel just to give us, help us out, help us growing the channel. That way we continue to create more content like this one, where we take you, to different theme parks here, either in California or Florida. So we will continue to show you around today as the day progresses, and we'll spend more time here at the Avengers campus. So here it is, guys, open house, test the new Web Slinger. So here's the waiting area, just to give you an idea. A bunch of bikes. Look, they have the lost and found on top of that too. By the way, this toy, I'm sorry, I gotta stop calling it toy because Kyla gets offended. But this device over here has different modes. So one is to play around, like a little did over there, and the other one is for the ride. So you gotta switch the mode over there. So
the spider one is for the ride, then that's turned off, and then that one is for toys.
Right. So the spider, yeah. So when it's in the spider one.
On the ride, you gotta bring it to the web, so make it white.
Yep. There you go, guys.
Go like this and search.
Will empower everyday people like you. Tech like me, for example. I'm Sharon, the artificial intelligence that keeps this place organized and running smoothly. Yes, Web has some of the brightest minds in the world, but I keep things around here pretty chill, so the kids can create the next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we got access to some pretty awesome tech like Vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have Pin Particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature. Because it's awesome. Buddy, you can stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the Web Slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be greatly appreciated.
Problem with that,
So
Peter?
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, Jack. Could you just call somebody else and ask them to do it?
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Weird. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man for us all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create. Should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a smoke problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. We might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
And I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, throw the Slinger vehicles.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the Slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the Slinger vehicle.
Alright guys, so here's a lot of cool stuff to see. Look at this. Look, Miles. Do you guys saw Miles? That's Miles locker. It's pretty cool to see. Even Venom, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty cool. That's definitely reassuring to see that. We have a mess on our hand, but at least
It's been 39 days without the tape not.
there you go. That's why this is how they show you how you can get to shoot webs, even with advanced techniques and all that. So I just want to show you a sample of how the vehicle looks like right over there. It looks pretty comfortable. And again, it's one of these vehicles with a lap bar. So plus size friends, nothing to worry about in this one either. And as you can see, it's also wheelchair accessible, so that's a good thing too. About to step in the vehicle again, very comfortable look. There's a lap bar.
I'm glad to see you guys.
There you go, so you don't have to like just point. There you go, and it works. Boom, boom. And it shows you, it actually shows you the score. Now, as you guys know, we're very competitive family. So we just got off the ride, literally right now. So what do you guys thought?
That was amazing. I want to do that like so much.
Did it live to the expectation to you guys?
Higher. That's a workout.
That was a workout.
And I won.
Kyla won.
Kind of wish it was a longer ride.
But I gotta say, you know, I'm the one explaining the camera what's going on, and I didn't even shoot for the first maybe 30 seconds.
Try to come again.
Yeah.
So hopefully I'm able. I should put one of these buckle head to film, and I get to enjoy it.
Not me.
Yeah. So was it worth it?
Yes.
So it's a must. People need to come here and try it. All right, guys, you here?
I wish that it was longer.
I know. So you go, guys, you heard it. Our family review is worth it. Come and try it if you're here in Disney California Adventure, and have, you know, go at it. Now be ready. It's gonna be a workout, that's for sure. Bye, buddy. Thanks for having us. It was such a adventure. Thank you so much. Have a good one, bud. All right, guys. So we're inside the store right now. As you can see, there you go. They do sell the spider button. The kids have been saving money for this. It's $80, just so you know. And after that, you could get a tactical upgrade where you could dress him up like Iron Man, Black Widow, Black Panther. You have him right over here, you see? And the point is they battle each other, right? That's pretty much what they do. So they also have a small one over there for $25. And they do sell the bag for $50. $50 for the bag, and you could actually put your bottle bottle over there, so that's pretty cool too. So pretty much this is how it is. They get the bag and then put it there. So hopefully we'll be, I think the kids may get it later on. One of the desserts that you can find here at the Avengers campus is located in front of one of the carts over here. And which one is what?
This is the Sweet Spire Ration. It's like a Terran pineapple churro.
A churro?
Yes.
Okay.
It has the churro look.
Yeah.
And then this one is the Cosmic Cream Orb. Like a crisp Terran cream puff filled with whipped raspberry cheesecake. This is $6.25 and this is $5.75.
What is wrong with you? That's the churro.
That's the churro.
It's good? Alright. Let me see it inside, Karen.
This one?
Yeah, since the Kyla took a bite. Alright, yeah, that's how it looks inside. Nice.
Right?
It's
It's
full.
like a piña colada.
Literally. That's really nice. What do you think, buddy?
Now all you guys want to try that, so
No, I don't want it.
might as well like
Where you going?
away.
He liked us. See, he escaping. Kyle's trying the other one. What happened?
I don't know how I feel about it.
You don't know how you feel about it? Alright, let's see. Mom, don't hit the intro, just hit the dessert.
That is very raspberry.
Really?
Oh my gosh, yes. It just hits you.
I'm gonna try it.
You wanna try it? Try it.
What happened?
I don't like
You don't like it?
that. Is a lot of raspberry. I mean, it's good.
I mean, it is a raspberry cheesecake.
It's good, but I don't think it should have that much of raspberry.
Not bad though.
Call me crazy. I like it.
Crazy.
Not me crazy. I like it.
I like it though. I like them both though, equally.
Yeah.
You like the churro?
I like the churro better than the cheesecake.
Yeah, I like them both equally. How about you?
Yeah, I like them both. I'll get them again.
Yeah, me too. All right, guys. So we truly hope that you enjoyed it. We did it, guys. We got assembled to be part of the Avengers, and it was amazing. You know, from seeing Spider-Man to seeing Doctor Strange and Black Widow and fighting the crime and saving the world. I don't know about you, I feel like a true Avenger.
Yep. It was amazing.
It was amazing. This is the best experience that we had here in Disney California Adventure. Highly recommended for the entire family. We tried snacks, so we truly hope we were able to help you out so that when you come here next time, you know what to expect. But guys, sadly this adventure has ended. Thank you so much for the love and support. We love you. But with that said, we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe and smash the like button and turn on the bell for notifications.
Big, and feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. See ya.